Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S53 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on the languages. Here we've got the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's add new language, just tap on other language, and we've been transferred to those which are available. Of course, if you don't want to scroll, you can simply tap on this search icon to enter the name of the language, and when you will find it, just tap on it. Pick the region if you can, just by tapping, of course, and here, as you can see, the device immediately applies this language to a list, but the English is still a main one. So in order to set new language as a main language, we have to tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position, just like that. And after a second, your device will display everything in chosen language. Let me show it to you again. English, tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English set. If you want to remove the language from this list, 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, tap on remove, mark, and the trash bin icon here. Confirm it, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your CAT S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.